Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka Jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka Jingpuli, ka Jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban Leit puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol hau number, kandai nyo saw san rio pranon, lani kandai pran rio laisan, an riway kandai pran.
Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba AL Head ula Leit Jngoh yagi Jingpyntreikam yagi Skhim Jongani Ketenat Harilom Garo. Ula ya kendo yagi officer Jongani Ketenat bania keren bat ki halor ke Jingpyntreikam yagi Skhim. Ula kentu yagi farm jonga sorkar bagi deiban company bon ki Jingri nadok ki sniang negi siar kenang bakin laban pendap yagi Jingdon kamdo jonga jelah.
Sri Manjunathan, the Secretary of the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Shri Dr. R. Sangma, Director, AH and Veterinary Department, Dr. H.K. Mara, the Joint Director, Veterinary Department, all the members present here today, without naming each one of you. And also we have our Joint Director, who has given us a beautiful presentation this morning on this review meeting. Why we need to have the review meeting? Of course, I'm a little late to meet all of you to have this review meeting, but good, this today we have met all of you together. Better late than never. Today we have heard about many things about the farms that we are having in Garo Hills and also in the whole state of Meghalaya. We have 5 piggeries farms. We have 5 poultry farms, 2 cattle farms, 1 buffalo farm, 1 goat farms, etc., and many dispensaries, which is some are functioning, some are not functioning. We understand also the ground reality, the truth, because of the many of infrastructure. At the same time also, the main is the manpower. We don't have manpower to look after this. But I used to tell this to all my review meetings. The government setting up the firms is not to do business. The business has to go to the private entrepreneur. We have to encourage our rural farmers, our rural entrepreneur to take up the farming in the rural areas and wherever we can reach out. Today we have seen not only in the veterinary department, you talk about any department in the state of Meghalaya or any part of the country, the government has failed in many spheres to do business. And a business to do by the businessmen people only, but not by us. We need only to motivate them, we need only to facilitate them, we need only to encourage them and give them the facilities whatever we are having to grow our farmers. Today we have seen so many people are migrations. They migrated. They're taking a lot of migration from rural to the urban area. Because why? Because of unemployment. We had to create employment and revenue to the people in the rural areas. We have to reach out to them. Until and unless we are reaching out to them, how will grow? Our responsibility, being as a minister, the secretary, director, and all we have been taking our responsibility to serve the state and particularly to serve the people. When we are talking about serving, we are governing. When we are talking about governing and serving to serve the people, we should reach out to them. We ensure that the last mile activities, when they don't have anything to do in the family, they don't have to do in the individual, we have to pick them up. Encourage them, bring them to the real life, to the map, then they also can grow together. That is our responsibility, being as a minister, elected representative. We are being the official assignment which are given to us in the different capacity as secretary, director, joint director in different level. We have so many veterinary field assistant. We have to take collective responsibility. Until unless we take a collective responsibility, we cannot say this. Oh no, that work is belong to that district. We will not interfere there. We will not go to help them. Oh, that is belong to so and so subdivisional area. We will not going to disturb them. Not going to be interfere them. No, that is not the way that we are working. If we are not working as family, as one family, as animal husbandry, veterinary department, as one family, one collective responsibility, we will not be able to grow our people. Our main intention is what? What is our main intention is? To ensure that we reach out to the people and see that the people in the rural area, the remotest rural area, they are also promoting in their activities. How we are promoting? This is our duty. We have a sign, all of you, my friends. All of us, we have a sign to our responsibility today. There are those who are sitting in the rural areas, in different urban areas, anywhere. They are our family only. They are my family. It's your family. We need to grow them. How to grow them is our responsibility. The responsibility starts when I'm telling you, all of us, we start from the self-awareness. How we create the self-awareness. That did myself as a minister, Mr. A. You have your responsibility, your awareness to do something for the people. Self-awareness is very important to create awareness to others. How to give awareness to others, how to felicitate others, how to motivate others. It is our duty and responsibility. Until unless we don't take our own great self-awareness, we cannot aware the others people. The self-awareness is very important.